So where we're at now is we got the little cripples in, or diagonals here, and now what I'm going to do is come in and put this first diagonal in, and then we'll stop the video and I'll go ahead and put these others in. It's the same process. If you notice that these two diagonals here are mirrored on this side, which is part of the design in the actual video tutorial. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and pre-mark this. Remember, you cut it a little bit bigger than you need it to, then you cut it down to fit exactly. So I'm coming up here looking at this, and now this kind of goes in at an angle, so I'm going to put it like so, and then I'm going to do my slice right there. I don't know if you can see those marks right here and right there. So I'll take my X-Acto, and I'll come over here, cut through that. I think I got a little too big on that, so I'm going to come over a little bit wider. You can see right here I go a little bit wider, and then I'll cut that bad boy down. So we'll go ahead and put it in, and yeah, I'm a little big, that's fine. So I'm going to trim this down, just trimming it. I don't know if you can see this little mark here, Cam. You see that? I'm going to try to trim that down to about right there and see if we fit it in there this time. Getting closer. Not there yet. Getting closer. So I'm going to trim this down. I'm going to go to the opposite side, trim it a little bit. Shave off a little piece. Put it right up in here like this. And see if I can push it in. Yep, push it in. Okay, pull that over a little bit. Now it's kind of off, so I'm going to trim this a little bit. See right here, this corner, cut me a little vertical right there. Let's see if it will come in. Yeah, it fits perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay, we get our super glue. Put a dot here. Put a big dot here. We're maybe running out of super glue, Cam. Okay, I think we did. Hit that spritz right there. Okay, I've got it. Okay, now let me come in and put the rest of these in. I'm going to have to open up another package of super glue so we can keep going on the project. Thanks. Okay, now we got this one side here built. And remember, I printed off 2 pages. I'm going to go ahead and put this sheet together right here, and I'm going to create this identical structure on this sheet. And then I'll come back and I'll create the bottom structure for this one, and then I'll create the top one for this one as well. So I'm going to use this piece of this drawing twice for the top, and also for the bottom here and the top there. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this now. I'll come back to you when I'm finished.